Hello everybody, welcome to my first video. Today we are looking at the bottom of a driver's seat from an '89 Turbo Trans Am. Having an issue moving the seat up and back. Seems to be related to the release mechanism. We can see here that this side disengages just fine. However, this side here does not. This little cable has a lot of slop in it. So we are going to see if we can address this issue. Right, so the first big issue here is with this slop. This is a little retaining coil of wire. This just pulls up this way, and this allows you to get the wire off of the seat bracket. So this is it. There's not much magic to it. It's just a matter of rebending it where it needs to be bent and making it sure it's tight enough that when you actuate this piece here, this is enough to pull this little disengagement pin out of the rail. Now, one thing to be careful of is you have this spring under tension if you have the seat all the way back. If you pull this piece out, this rail will rapidly shoot backwards, and you can definitely lose some skin in the process if you're not careful. So I'm just going to go ahead and manually disengage this now so I don't hurt myself later. So I spared you some boring details of me taking this wire off, bending it back just how I wanted. Just a helpful hint, I did use this 1/4 inch socket extension to help maintain this radius around the back side of this wire. So I feel that it is pretty much ready to put back together. So I'm going to slip this little coiled retainer over it, slide it back in place, kind of make this final tight bend, and see if I can get this little coil retainer to go back where it's supposed to go. And then I'm just going to kind of tighten that up one last time. Try and make sure it stays put. As you can see, it's definitely a lot tighter. And now when I pull this, both sides disengage from the rail.